Okay, our next self-myofascial release technique is going to be for our QL, or our quadratus lumborum. So our QL works with our glutes to kind of stabilize our hips, and a lot of times if our hips are locked up and we have a tight lower back, our QL is to blame for some of that. So it's just going to be just above our hip bone and underneath that big meaty kind of lower back. It's kind of this little center spot right in here. So what I'm going to try to do, you can do it with a foam roller, but again, the foam roller, is because it's so big, it doesn't allow it to get into the position that we want to. So I'm going to use a medicine ball. All I'm going to do is find my hip bone, get just above it, get on the side a little bit, and try to find a sweet spot in there that's just in that little kind of like opening and allows me to get some pressure into that position. And when you find it, you'll feel it, right? And we're going to try to just find that sweet spot, move around a little bit, play. You don't want to be on any bones here, any structures like that. We want to be on softer tissues in those muscles or connective tissue. And like all these self-myofascial techniques, we are going to work on 2-minute hold once we find the spot before we switch sides. And again, we're just going to roll onto the other side, getting above that hip bone and on the side of our spine, and we're going to find that sweet spot in our quadratus lumborum, or our QL muscle, and just hang out there in a spot that's a little tender. We're gonna work to hang out for 2 minutes and then just letting gravity kind of pull us down deeper and deeper into the movement, okay? This is our QL self-myofascial release.